In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the background color in Constant Contact. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, adjusting the background color can give your emails or landing pages a fresh, personalized look. First, let's head over to constantcontact.com. Open up your web browser and type in the URL, or simply click on your bookmark if you have it saved. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. This will take you to your dashboard where all your projects and tools are easily accessible. Next, from your dashboard, look for the landing pages section. This is typically found in the main menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on landing pages to proceed. Now, you'll see a list of all the landing pages you have created. If you don't have any yet, you might want to create one to follow along with this tutorial. Once you have your list of landing pages in front of you, select the one you want to edit. Hover over it, and you should see an option to edit. Click on Edit, and this will open up the design editor for that specific landing page. This is where all the magic happens, and you can customize your page to your heart's content. Now, with the design editor open, click on the background of your design. You'll notice that various options appear on the left-hand side of your screen. This is the design toolbar, and it's your gateway to visual customization. Among the options, find and click on background color. Here you can choose a new color to give your page a different vibe. You might see a color palette or a color picker depending on your account settings. If you have a specific color in mind, you can enter the hex code directly. This is a great way to maintain brand consistency if you have specific brand colors. Play around with different shades until you find the perfect match for your design. Remember, the background color you choose can greatly affect the readability and overall aesthetic of your page, so choose wisely. Once you're happy with your new background color, make sure to save your changes. Usually there's a save button or an apply button you need to click to ensure that your new settings are retained. Double check your design to confirm that everything looks good. And there you have it. Changing the background color in Constant Contact is a simple yet powerful way to enhance the visual appeal of your landing pages. This can help you better engage with your audience and create a more cohesive brand experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Constant Contact efficiently. Thank you for watching and happy designing.